I got my blower motor taken out because it's making a noise during winter. So summer is the best time to replace them. So basically it's easy actually to remove it. You just have like two torque screws that holds the cover, and then there's another cover with 4 smaller torque screws, and then from there you have to remove these 4 torque screws again to remove the whole assembly. You need to take out the wiring out there, the plug. It easily comes out from here, and I'm going to get my replacement part. The replacement part from RockAuto. And if you notice, this one doesn't have the control for the blower motor, so I need to transfer that stuff, this electronics here to here. And if you look at my hand, it's all carboned up. So yeah, this one is still working, but yep, and it's still the original, I guess. So 20 years, yeah, it has done its job. So I'm not waiting for this one to quit. I'll just replace it with this aftermarket one. So I'm gonna take these out and transfer 2 bolts out, and this one just bolts right in here. Yep. Put this one here, one over here, and this one just plugs in there. Plugs in right back. Then I'm just going to keep this in case. And then this one is ready to be put back in. Those 4 bolts. So yep, this is the cavity, and you got those 4 posts in here. There's like a flat surface here that matches with the assembly here. Got it bolted in. This one over here, and this one over here. Yep. Now I'm going to put the cover and then the plug to the body of the car. Yeah, this plug over here. Plug is there. And time to, let me see if I could. Let me align it properly. Aligned. And usually this cable needs to be routed here. Need to be tucked in. Yep. And then yep, make sure that it's flush, because this is a deep hole in here for the Torx bolt. Yep, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm tightening the one of the Torx screw over here. Yeah, there's 4 of them. And you cannot see them here. You're just like tightening them blind. The cover. So that terminal over there is for the light over here, and there's just 2 Torx bolts over here to hold this one. I think it's way over here and here. Yeah, the last piece. To test the blower. Currently at 192,285. So there's the blower. maximum. Auto. Yep. It's working. Yeah, you cannot hear the chirping sound during summer, but during fall and spring, yeah, you could hear it like in the morning.